Hello, parents. I wanted to start off by saying I'm so thankful that I get to keep your students in my online classroom, and I'm glad that you were able to pick something that made you guys feel comfortable. Moving forward, I did want to let you know we will be having 13 new students in our class. I don't know how our Canvas works, don't doesn't know how we do routines or anything like that. So please be patient with me if I'm repeating information that you already know. If I'm reviewing, this week is probably going to be a lot of review, a lot of getting to know each other again kind of thing. So um, please just be patient with that. By the next week, I'm hoping that we're back on track and moving the pace that we're usually used to. A couple things about this coming week, we will be doing Acadians testing. Another teacher, Miss Wagner, will be pulling your students and doing testing on them. Let me see. I will show you on my Canvas, as always, looks the same. In the week schedule, for this week's schedule, you will be able to see exactly what time your student is being tested. I did have to put you guys right in the beginning, like Monday, Tuesday, because the other parents have no idea how my Canvas works yet, so I am giving them a day or two to try to get used to it and then get right back into it, into testing. So your students will be tested immediately. I apologize for that. I'm just trying to give a grace period to our new friends. Okay, let's see. Yes, so Acadians testing, I change slightly sometimes. For example, some things, for example, Wednesdays now we start from 10 to 10:30 for SEL, and there's only 15 minutes for PBIS. Little things like that. There was another thing that I did change. I can't think, but just look at the schedule. Everything's the same. When you go to Monday, the days, just click on what date, and it's going to tell you everything that you need to know. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything should be the same, just asking for your patience in this transition with our new friends. Okay, thank you so much, and you guys have a great day. And again, I'm so happy that your kids get to stay with me. Yay!